Hey students, welcome back to Masterspoint. So our today's subtopic is principle of moment. So what does the principle of moment states? It states that the sum of anti-clockwise movement is equal to the sum of clockwise movement. Okay, let's see the statements, principles, and we'll see how to verify the principles. So yes. So the principle of movement states that sum of the anti-clockwise movement equal to sum of the clockwise movement. To verify this, we'll take a ruler, we will pivot it at the center O, and we will hang out the two weight slots at a different distance with a different weight. And we need to prove this: the sum of anti-clockwise movement is equal to the sum of the clockwise movement. So there are some rules. The rule states that the clockwise movement, to find out the clockwise movement, we have to use the moment formula, whereas the weight into the perpendicular distance. And the anti-clockwise movement, again we need to have the product of the another weight with the other distance. And when it comes to a stable position, when it comes to a static equilibrium, there we will find out the sum of the anti-clockwise movement is equal to the sum of the clockwise movement. By this we can verify the principle of movement. Let's check it out with some examples. Suppose I am considering a weight. I'm considering this weight to be a 300 gram. This I'm considering it to be a 3 kg, and this I'm considering it to be a 2 kg. Okay, the distance between here is suppose 4 centimeter, and the distance between here is a 6 centimeter. So what am I going to do is just write it out. This to be my 300 kg. So this I will take it out as my 3n as my force, and here I'm going to take it out this as a 2 Newton. Okay, this part is very difficult. No problem. Okay, so I am taking this distance to be a 4 centimeter, and this I am going to take it as a 6 centimeter. Okay, so what is happening, I am just calculating the things. My first weight was the clockwise movement, which was 2 centimeter, and my length was 6. So this is going to give me 2 6 are 12. Okay, so in my anti-clockwise movement the weight was 3 and the distance was 4. So this is going to give me a 12 centimeter. So you can see it is being proved in equilibrium when the meter ruler is horizontal. When it will become horizontal, it is found that when it will become horizontal when both the anti-clockwise and clockwise movements are equal. So you can see here my anti-clockwise movement, the value over here is 12. If I compare the two equations, is equal to 12. So hence the verification is proved. Yet it's so simple and easy. So you can see today's session was so simple and small. We have learned the principle of movement is this clockwise, and we know this is the clockwise movement, and this is the anti-clockwise movement. We have proved that both the movements should be equal if I want this principle to be verified. Okay. So by this we end up with a session. Today we have seen the statements. What is the principle of moment? We have seen the verification. It is so simple. We have to first write down some paragraph like considering a ruler, and you need 2 weight slots, and we have to change the weight as well as the distance. If I change my distance and if I increase my weights, I have to do this to bring the ruler in the horizontal position. When it will come in a horizontal position, only when it is going to satisfy my statement. The principle is that the sum of the anti-clockwise movement should be equal to my sum of the clockwise movement. And moment formula and moment of force we have discussed in our previous force video. You can check the video. The description is, the link is given below. So the question of the day is, what is principle of moment? Please verify the principle of moment. Please comment your answers down in the comment box. You can share many examples we have done in the previous videos, example in this video. If you have any doubts, please write it down in the comment box. If you want me to make a video on any specific concept or a topic, please write it down. So here I'll end up my session. This is very small sessions, and I also want to discuss you that in my previous video, if you check out the links given below in the description box, I have always, before getting directly to the definitions and its formulas, we have first learned what the word means, which it helps us to become understand the definitions, its topics, you examples very clearly. And also I have related it with the real life examples, which is a small tricks you to remember the concept and the definition during the examination hours, because examination hours are such hours where we forget everything because of the panicness. There are many things going in our head that we want to score this much percentage. We don't know how the question paper will be, or there is a competition within us. There is some challenges we have made to ourselves. There are n numbers of things. So this is a small tricks where it will help you to recollect the definition concept at the time of examination, because it is just not one chapter or some 3-4 topic concept subtopics you need to remember. You know how fat the textbook is, and it is not only just one subject you have to prepare for your exam. There are more than one subject you need to prepare. So this is a small tricks. Will in our upcoming videos we'll still reconnect our subtopics or our topics with our real life examples. Will correlate with our other subjects, so this will help you to recollect the concept. So here I end up my sessions. Please give a thumbs up to this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, click on the notification bell so you will be updated with my upcoming new videos. And my next session will be on will be solving the exercise 1A and the numericals. So thank you for watching.